In front of me is Motorola Moto G15 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off one-handed mode. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll to Hit Gestures. Then tap on one-handed mode, and if you're using Turkish navigation, use this switcher next to Use one-handed mode to activate it and follow all of those instructions. Then go back by clicking on this area at the top or swiping up. To disable it, use the same No Blue switcher. If you are using 3 buttons though, this option will be unavailable. I will just change my navigation real quick to show you. So what you need to do is open one-handed mode section again. And this time scroll all the way down to click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut instead. Hit correct and operate it thanks to this button. To disable it, use blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!